Hey everyone, welcome to Worldwide Auctioneers and Worldwide TV. I want to talk about some great stuff we've got going on at the Auburn auction this year, including this car. One of my personal favorites, Bugatti. Absolutely unmistakable when you see this, and in my opinion, some of the most beautifully designed cars to ever hit the road. So this is a 1957 Atalante 57C, and it has a tremendous history, great provenance, and as you can see, condition-wise, it's absolutely stunning. This car is going to be sold at our Auburn auction, and it's undergone a restoration. The car was phenomenal when it started. List of ownership, collections in Paris, all very well known, and it presents today like a brand new car, which I think is very easy to see here when you look at this Bugatti. Nothing was missed, absolutely everything. We're very fortunate to have this car here, and this is just one of a handful of the Type 57s that was built with the rollback roof. So Toireau is what they called it, and it's very, very rare coachwork. Seldom seen and hardly ever offered for sale. And what I love about this car is it doesn't matter where you stand when you're looking at this car. Every line is incredible. No detail was left unturned. The belt line was in, the fenders match as they flow. This sweeps through here, and I love how these fenders go up here, and then as you come around, what I think is one of the best parts about this car, the back end of this car, like most Type 57s, is phenomenal. But this being one of the very early bodies, the shape, the style, the design, it's absolutely unmatched. So join us Labor Day weekend. This will be Saturday, September the 4th, here at the Auburn auction. 57 Bugatti, incredible car. Hope to see you there.